Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're going to show you how to get a Mercedes C-Class into neutral, shift it out from park into drive or neutral when the battery is completely dead, or you have an issue that you can't, maybe you have a locked steering column or something like of that nature. Here we have a vehicle that's been flooded, so we need to get this into neutral to move this vehicle. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna start by opening the ashtray over here. Then you put your hand right in front here. Also open the central armrest right here, and put your hands right here. Lift it at the front, pull forward, move this to the side. All right, so you can see that right there we have the trim removed. You don't have to take that off. Now we're gonna press the brakes. It's not necessary, but you don't need the vehicle to roll away, because once we release this from park, then the vehicle can move easily. So you see that black piece right there? We're gonna press that. You can press that with a screwdriver. You can really press that with anything. And then shift out of park into reverse, neutral, wherever you're trying to put that shifter, the transmission in, and that's it. That's very easy. Be careful, because once you do get the car out of park, there's that risk of rolling and causing injuries, as we said earlier. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.